In this video, I'll show you how you can get Twitch loot drops in Marvel Rivals. What you want to do is you want to connect your Marvel Rivals to your Twitch account. So to do this, head over to Twitch, come here and go to Drops and Rewards, click on All Campaigns and find Marvel Rivals. Once you found it, you want to click on it and click Connect. This will take you to the Marvel Rival page, and in here you want to scroll down, find step 1. It's going to ask you to log into an account, and I logged into my Steam account. Now you can use any account, just log in. After that you want to connect your Twitch account, so click on login right here. What this will do is you'll come here where you're going to click on connect. Now I already connected this one in here, but you just want to click on the connect button, and when it says unbinding, that means you have already connected it. So click connect in here, and after you've done that, I'm just gonna disconnect to show you. So you click connect, authorize, and then it will be connected. Now you can only do this once per week, so I cannot do it again. But once you've connected it, what you want to do is just come back here, click refresh, and it's gonna say connected. Now to get the drops, what you need to do is you need to watch Marvel Rivals on live streams on the Twitch to get the drops. Once you get a drop, it's gonna appear up here on your notifications, and you'll be able to see how you can use them. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.